There's three parts to graphing an inequality. For this line, y is greater than 2x minus 2, we can identify the slope and the y-intercept. Our slope is going to be the coefficient of the x term, in this case, 2. The constant is going to give us our y-intercept, negative 2. So, plot the y-intercept at negative 2, and then use our slope, 2 over 1, to go up 2 over 1. And there's our next point. The second part is knowing whether the line should be a solid line or a dotted line. And that all comes from the inequality. If this inequality is strictly greater than or less than, like we have right now, then we draw a dotted line. The ends of our dotted line should still be arrows to signify that the line continues forever. Then we need to do the third part, and that is figure out which side we should shade on. In order to determine which side we shade, we need to test a point, so why not pick the easiest point on the graph, 0, 0, and plug it into the inequality. 0 is greater than 2 times 0 minus 2. 0 is greater than negative 2. Is that a true statement? Well, yeah, 0 is greater than negative 2. That means that we shade on this side of our dotted line. Let's try another one. When we have y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 2, first, identify the slope and the y-intercept. Here our slope is 2/3 and our y-intercept is positive 2. Graph the y-intercept, then use your slope, positive 2 over 3, to go up 2 and over 3 and plot a second point. Now identify whether your line should be a solid line or a dotted line. In this case, we have less than or equal to. Since our inequality has the or equal to part, our line should be a solid line with arrows at the end. Again, we need to identify which side of the line we should shade on. So pick a point. Why not pick the easiest point, 0, 0, and plug it into your inequality. And ask yourself if this is true. Well, simplify. This term drops out and we're left with just 2. Is 0 less than or equal to 2? Yes. So we'll shade on this side of the line.